Now I'm seeing my next company is waiting in the showroom. It's from a Foshan Snat. Foshan Snat. Hello, Foshan Snat. Hi. Hi, good afternoon. Hi, Foshan Snat. I'm Jane. And would you like to turn your silence off? Because I cannot hear you now. I cannot hear you. Would you like to turn off this? Okay. I see that your silent signal is off. Hello. Hello, hi, I can see you. This is Jane. This is Jane. What's your name, please?
This is Eva. This is our colleague Sabrina.
Eva. Sabrina.
Hello.
Hello, Sabrina and Eva.
Yeah.
Am I correct? Sabrina. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Eva and Sabrina. And thank you for participating in Light Street Factory Tour special event. Well, big welcome. And would you like to give us a brief introduction of Foshan Snat of your company and also some introduction of your products line, please, in 10 to 15 minutes? Thank you. You can start when you are prepared.
Okay, you can start. Okay.
We are a factory of solar inverter and solar charge controller and solar power system since 2010. And we have a factory and we have two factory plants. And we have three workshops, average 2,000 square. And we also have a new factory. We're starting the production since 2022.
Yeah.
We have workers more than 100, and we have our own research and development technology team, average 15 years experience. And for the inverters, we have we only do off-grid. Let me share with you a picture which you can see our factory.
Yes, we can send you the picture on the video.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. You can share in your screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inverter.
Off-grid inverter. This product is used for solar power system.
Yeah.
It means use solar to produce the power to take the appliance, right?
Yes.
Yeah, appliance, yes. You have 17 years of the company since the company established.
Can you see my
screen?
Yeah.
Not
Can
yet.
you see my document?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I think it's coming.
Oh, you cannot see.
Can't see. Sharing the sharing screen.
Okay. So
showing the screen.
Sharing screen.
Okay. Let me introduce our company's product. We produce the solar inverter, which is the one is pure sideway. The power range from 300 watt to 200 kilowatts. Our main product is Africa, Middle East, and South America. There will be also we produce Mppt solar charge controller and PV combiner box. This is our main product.
Yeah, main product.
Yes, and from the inverter we hot cell of the FT series just behind the blue one. This one, the blue one is the hot cell and the most popular in the market. And another one is the charge controller. This is our star product.
Yes, it's a feature product in our factory.
Yeah.
And we can do the specification from 12 voltage up to 384 voltage. And it means we have the products lots of the products And now we show you, we can show the clients who are interested in the solar charge controller.
Like this?
Yeah.
Sorry, this one? This one is the Mppt solar charge controller.
Yeah.
This one is for 12, 24, and 48 automatic. And charge current maximum is 60 amp. You see, this one is the Mppt solar charge controller.
Mhm.
Okay.
Is this portable?
And
Is this portable?
no, it's not.
No,
It's installed on the wall.
Installed.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. And also you can see the blue one,
Yeah, the blue one.
also a solar charge controller, but it's high capacity and it's used for the high power solar power system. The maximum current is 100. And now
100.
Albert will show you another feature product, solar generator.
Yeah, like this one. This one is the portable solar system.
This one
Output
portable.
AC 220. Yep. And also have a DC power, DC output, and have a AC charge and a solar charge. Okay.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, and you can see the AC output sockets. It's universal sockets adapted to all kinds of the all over the world grid. Yeah. And you can, if the inside battery not enough, people can connect more battery as extension to get more power and store more power. And if some area there is electricity, but the electricity is not stable. So if people want to power their shop or some office with 24 hours, so they can use this solar generator as backup power.
Yeah, UPS. Yeah.
This one also just like a UPS.
Yeah.
UPS. Yes.
And it has the DC power. Now we know there are lots of the DC appliances such as DC fan and DC lights. So it's very cheap. So people can use the DC lights to get the DC power with the DC output.
Great. That's great.
And then next we introduce you our best famous inverter.
The blue one. Albert is carrying out all the portable batteries. We're laboring, Albert.
This one is the most popular in the market.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one is from kilowatt to 3 kilowatt.
But we have the similar type up to 10 kilowatts.
I see it's
this side is the protector and the output, AC output and AC input connector here. Here have a terminal and this door is the protector. And this side G.
Hello.
And
hello, Albert.
Have
kind of a
connector from a computer.
Hello, Albert. I'm kind of we are suffering from the signal issue.
So we can the of this and so people can monitor solar system all their mobile.
Yeah, if you want to make some EM, okay, you put the customer logo here or here. Okay, we can for customer. We have an MOQ, right?
Yes. Small MOQ.
Yes, small MOQ.
Small
Maybe
MOQ,
50 PC.
Yes.
50 pieces, right?
Yes.
50. Okay, our produce line here. Our factory here more than 8,000 square meter. We have now we have 3 line produce room.
Yes.
Yeah, and also from the material coming our factory, we have IQC, we have IPQC and QA. All the quality we can make sure before
Delivery.
Yes.
Every product will be passed by QC before delivery.
Yeah, to ensure the good
It means
quality.
we control the quality.
Yeah,
Yes,
exactly.
Yeah. Now here this place is in our showroom. It's in our factory. It's 4th floor. In this place, more than 3,000 square meter, and this floor we have more than 80 worker here.
Yeah.
And another place on the up down to the floor, we have more than 30
yeah.
worker. They will be produce the 10 kilowatt to 200 kilowatt single phase and 3 phase big
high power
inverters. Big power.
Yeah.
I can see
That's
that
mostly used for industry.
Yeah.
Some factory or some big house.
Yeah.
big
Over
house.
there, this Snatty is our company's logo.
Yeah.
SNADI.
We have registered this brand name over 9 countries. I think it means our factory gain the good reputation in these countries. That's the reason we registered this brand name.
Oh, brand name.
Yeah.
S90.
Yeah.
The reputation you earned by your own products and your service and all your company strengths that creates your reputation here in the markets. That's really good.
Yeah, it means we are not only a factory to OEM service, but also a factory to develop our own brand.
Own brand. Not only the OEM.
It's also a promise to the quality.
Now you are doing the branding now. you are becoming your own brand. Yeah, that's really good. Because
I think.
Okay, now I change a new one to here. This one is the hybrid inverter for off-grid. This one is the solar charge controller and the pure sideway inverter. They are building in one box.
Yes.
Right.
It looks very nice.
So everything is built in one or in one. So
Yeah. But except the battery. Battery needs outside connect.
Outside of only the battery outside. Great.
Yeah.
Wow. That's quite a lot of inverter and solar power.
Because, the product I'll produce from the Mppt solar charge control, like I said, that's the green one, and the inverter and the controller and the hybrid inverter, off-grid hybrid inverter.
Yeah. Thank you. Wow. Thank you so much, Albert.
So
and
we want to show the produce room or just.
Do you still have other products? Okay, see you next time because we have
it's time to say goodbye.
Event. Yeah. Or do you still have another other thing to introduce this in this session? Have you other or
if you don't mind, we can move the camera to our produce room to show you maybe 10 30 second. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
No, 30 minutes.
30 seconds.
Let me show you
1 minute.
produce room.
Thank you.
No, 1 minute, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, move.
Sabrina, thank you, Albert.
Okay, let's move. Okay, here is our produce room. Showroom, sorry.
Yeah, showroom.
And
well
solar charge
decorated.
controller. And this is our beautiful guy, Sabrina.
Yeah, very beautiful.
And the big power inverter, the white one and the green one, and all-in-one battery. Okay, this backside is our solar panel.
Solar panel.
You see that solar panel?
Expensive solar panel.
I have a mono and pre solar panel. Yeah, this is our office, just for office, and here is our company. Okay.
Yeah.
Snatty. It's NIT. This is our company Foshan Snat. Okay, this way will be our producer. Okay, will be finished up.
Take your time.
We see the factory.
Oh, yeah.
It's over 3,000 square meter this way.
3,000 square meters.
Quite big, right? And too much noise, so we'll be just show the produce. Okay.
It's okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nearby the office, so it will be easy to show the produce from. Okay, this is coming back.
Great. Wow. This last 1 minute really shows a lot of your company, the environment, the power.
Yes.
Thank you. So is this all for today's session? Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sabrina. Thank you, Albert.
Yeah.
I'm expecting to see you next time. Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Bye.
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 Thank you.